Hi, this is a goose you all might have heard about. This is the father goose that was beaten by some teenagers. He's doing pretty good right now. Right now he's about to get some chiropractic help to help adjust him. We run completely on donations, so any help would be awesome to help guys like this and other ones that we get in all the time. Thank you.
So we get a lot of swelling up here.
His whole head, and then yeah, his neck was pretty thick, and he couldn't really lift it up at all. Yep. Good.
Huh?
You get done?
No, I get those little.
Okay.
Was that
Thank you.
ducklings?
Yes. I don't know how many's in there.
He's really locked up right up here.
I'm sure.
We're through a lot, huh?
It's surprising how fast he, I was fearful that he wouldn't eat or anything. I mean, he wouldn't even stand or, he was just down and out. And within a couple days, he was like this. Still a little wonky, but.
Yeah. Hopefully this will help him. He's really stiff for a goose. It's not really so flexible. There you go. Make you feel better, buddy. Yeah. You met some bad people. You're getting a lot adjusted. You're getting some better movement in there. Yeah, he's starting to loosen up. I don't know if he'll ever get full flexibility,
Right.
but get some better movement, some less pain, hopefully. This isn't so bad, huh?
And he's like. He's like, oh, if I would have known, I wouldn't have ran so much. We were nice people here.
Alright, I'll do some stretches. Usually I don't do stretches on geese because they're so flexible to begin with. But you can probably use that. Very good. Just basically stripping down the muscles on his neck too. Here! Now I have your full head,
Flop your
huh?
head, yeah.
Yeah, he's like, I think I can do this chiropractic thing.
That wasn't so bad, huh? Are you all done?
Yep, all set.
Awesome. I'll go bring you back to your babies.
Adopted a couple.
Yeah, they'll take on almost anybody. You can tell the smallest one is a different age.
Oh.
And then one of the other ones isn't theirs either, but I can't tell. Only 4 acres. You guys are good eaters.